A nebula is an interstellar cloud made up of dust, hydrogen gas, helium gas, and plasma. One way a nebula is formed is through a supernova explosion. This happens when a high-mass star nears the end of its life and nuclear fusion ceases in the core, causing the star to collapse on itself. The materials thrown off by the supernova explosion condense to form large molecular clouds, also known as a nebula. Another way nebulas are formed is through a gravitational collapse in the interstellar medium, which is the gas and dust between star systems in a galaxy.
Here are the ingredients that make up a nebula. Dust, helium gas, plasma, and hydrogen gas. After a supernova explosion or gravitational collapse, all the parts of a nebula are together in space. Collapse. When something comes by to stir up the materials, they begin to clump together. Once all the materials of the nebula have clumped together, this forms a protostar. The protostar becomes larger. The pressure of gravity further condenses the star, causing the temperature to increase. Once the protostar reaches 10 million degrees Kelvin, hydrogen fusion is initiated and the protostar becomes a star. It now shines with its own light, and solar wind quickly comes in to get rid of all the dust and gas in its vicinity.
There are four main types of nebulas: planetary, reflecting, emission, and absorption nebulas.
Planetary nebulae are often created when a star blows off out of fuel to burn, often taking the shape of a ring or a bubble. William Herschel named them planetary nebulas because they were round, just like the planets.
Reflecting nebulas reflect the light off of nearby stars. In places where they are brightest, it indicates star formation because the dust and gas is very thick.
Emission nebulas absorb light from nearby stars, causing their temperatures to increase. The high temperatures makes them glow. These nebulae are often found in regions of space where new stars are forming.
An absorption nebula is a dark cloud of gas and dust that blocks light from regions of space behind it. When light reaches the nebula, it is absorbed and does not pass through. This makes absorptions difficult to find unless they are in front of a bright backdrop.